guys, welcome back to another episode of Corona Cooking. In this episode, we will be making microwave poached eggs. Here's the ingredients you need. 1. Vinegar. Apple cider vinegar or white vinegar will be fine. 2. Salt. You don't need too much, it's just to add in a bit of flavor at the end. 3. An egg. 3 large eggs are the best. Then you need 1/2 cup water, 1 mug, a lid for the mug. If you don't have a lid, a small plate will do, just to put over the top of it. Then you also need measuring spoons, a slotted spoon, an unslotted spoon, and a knife. First, measure out your water and pour it into your mug. It's okay if you don't pour it all in. If you have a smaller mug, then open the container of vinegar, what I'm using, and measure out the amount needed, which is about 1/4 teaspoon. If you don't have too much, and since it's such a small thing, you may have to slant it to get your vinegar. Then pour that too into your mug. Now, take your egg, crack it on the side of your mug or on the side of the bowl. Crack it into the mug. You may need to wash your hands after this, or you may not. Now, take your lid on the mug and put it in the microwave. You need to have it in the microwave for about a minute, maybe longer, depending on how your eggs cooks. I'll be back soon. So I finished poaching my egg. You can always do it longer if you need after you take a look at it, or next time you could do it shorter. This is how my egg looks. To me, it looks perfect. So now use your slotted spoon. You may have to tip the cup slightly and ease the egg on. Then hold the egg for a couple of seconds. Your yolk may break and put it onto your plate. My yolk unfortunately broke, but this was a super tasty egg. It may not go perfect the first time, but that will be okay. You can always redo it. Now take some salt and put it on top. My egg does not look the most appetizing, but it tastes the best. Make sure to like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe.